Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Sab. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I've created this channel about 4 months ago. I currently have 44 subscribers. I love to cook, I love to create new meals, and I'm currently on a healthy meal binge. And if you're new here, welcome. And if this channel interests you, then be sure to subscribe, like this video, hit the bell for future notifications. I upload 2 to 3 times a week. If cooking interests you as well, and if you'd love to cook just like me and you want to learn shortcuts, quick meals, long meals, traditional meals, then this is a channel for you. I'm currently trying different styles of videos. If you've seen my past videos, I used to do top down, and now here I am speaking, trying to give the audience a different view. I'm still learning how to edit and play around, so my videos will get better as time goes on. So please bear with me. And I would love feedback, so let me know how you guys like this new style. Comment down below any feedback, positive or negative. I appreciate it all, and it's my way of making better videos for you guys. Today what we're making is overnight oats. This is my favorite breakfast. I eat it almost every single morning. It is filling, it is delicious, it is quick, and it is easy. You put it in the fridge at night, and when you wake up in the morning, you have a breakfast ready to go, whether you're going to school, work, or you're just at home and you want a delicious cold oatmeal. This is my favorite breakfast. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm super excited to share this. So with that being said, let's get on with the ingredients and let's get cooking. For the ingredients, you'll need almond butter, or if you have peanut butter, that works too, or any butter of your choice. Jelly of your choice. I'm using raspberry, and honey for sweetener. I have 2 sweeteners here because I love the balance this gives, and this is kind of like a almond butter and jelly, so it makes your overnight oats taste delicious. I definitely recommend this. Then you'll need 1 cup of milk. I'm using almond milk, half a cup of oats, a tablespoon of chia seeds. I love chia seeds. It has a jelly-like texture, and it keeps you full throughout the day, so I love adding this into my overnight oats. This is my secret. Every time I make overnight oats, I always add this in. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of water, a dash of cinnamon, some toppings for the morning when you wake up, which I will show you guys tomorrow, and a clear jar or any container to put your overnight oats in. For the overnight oats, there is no particular pattern in making this. However, I do like to add in my oats first and then my almond milk because I like to see the oats to milk ratio. You want to make sure you have a little more milk than oats, or else your oatmeal will become thick. However, if you like it thick, then I would suggest adding in half a cup of oatmeal and half a cup of almond milk. I do like it a little more runny and less thick, so that is why I'm doing that ratio. And then after that, I like to add in my chia seeds, whatever sweetener or almond butter I'm adding in, my cinnamon, and I'm adding in fresh blueberries, and this just gives it a perfect touch. I definitely recommend adding in fresh fruit. It always steps up the game in overnight oats, and that is how you make it. It's so simple. Alright, you guys, this is how my overnight oats looks this morning. I just put it out on a bowl, but you can go ahead and eat it straight out of the jar, or put it on a nice little bowl and decorate it with some bananas, cinnamon, and blueberries. This is how I love it. It looks beautiful and it tastes even better. You can see the oats in there. You can see the chia seeds. You can see the jelly and the almond butter. I just added some bananas for flavor and more sweetness, and blueberries because who doesn't love blueberries? Alright, you guys, that concludes my overnight oats. These are about 349 calories with the ingredients I have made it with, so feel free to add anything or opt anything out. These will keep you fueling throughout the day. You will feel fantastic, and it tastes amazing. Be sure to screw the lid on, put it in the fridge, and in the morning you will have a delicious breakfast ready to go. Anyways, while you're still at it, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell for future notifications, and comment down below what you'd love to see me make next. I would love to get cooking and baking and create some new stuff for you guys. And as always, have a wonderful day. Bye.